ఓకే, సో మళ్ళీ మాల్విక గారు వచ్చేసారు. నేను ఈ రోజు మన మాల్విక గారితో చూసి హీరోయిన్ మాల్వికతో కొన్ని విషయాలు అడగాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మీరు కూడా కామెంట్స్ ఏంటి ఏమైనా అడగాలనుకుంటే. సో మీరు 10th at the age 10th లో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు.
Yeah, 10th ending, after 10th boards. Actually, on my birthday, I got the offer. On my birthday.
On your birthday?
Hello?
Offer?
Yeah, on my birthday, I got the offer, yeah.
First movie offer ఎలా వచ్చింది? First movie offer ఎలా వచ్చింది?
First movie offer, it was through Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, apparently my director, he sent me a message on Instagram. Okay, so I opened it. I didn't know ki idi genuine unda leda, so I just messaged him randomly, and he said ki there is we are having a film, so the shoot is in Vizag. Can you make it by 31st of March? And I was just 16, so I can't take decisions, right? So I told my dad. Then he spoke to him and he felt genuine. And I think within 3 days, we left for the shoot, and that's how it happened. Instagram. And that just kept on happening. He said, then next movie was to say Churangane, in which Raj sir saw my song.
Okay.
There's a song of Allah, and he saw it, and then he called, and again. So I never had to go, for an audition or something like that. I mean, in people in which people say in line or something, I never had to go through all that tough phase.
సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ మూవీ వచ్చేసి శరత్ గారితో వర్క్ చేశారు, అండ్ సెకండ్ మూవీ వచ్చేసి షేర్షా సింధురావు గారితో వర్క్ చేశారు. బోత్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ స్టైల్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఇద్దరికి. సో వన్ ఈజ్ మెన్ డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ ఉమెన్ డైరెక్టర్. వాట్ డిఫరెన్సెస్? ఏం డిఫరెన్స్?
Honestly speaking, the difference you see in Churangane, there was only one director, but apparently my director and my script writers used to work together always. So my director was a very strict one. Shesha was always a very strict person. She was very strict, and everything had to be on time and stuff like that. Whereas my script writer Padma, she was that person who used to keep us all in happy hands, and she used to make us laugh. So the difference, I believe, between a male and a female director would be both are very serious when it comes to work, but apart from the work, I mean, you're more comfortable with the female one. Obviously, you're more comfortable with them speaking and spending time with them. So both are good in their own sense.
Yeah. Okay, someone best actor in Telugu film industry, one word answer. Shiva Reddy, I think.
Best actor. There are many amazing actors, but if you say, I mean, I like Vijay Deverakonda, I like Advi Shesh. Vijay Deverakonda obviously for his acting, and even Advi Shesh for his type of movies and his serious acting. So I love thriller films. So in future, if somebody will ask me which kind of movies do I like, I'll always answer thriller and psychological thriller, crime thriller, murder mystery, like that. I am more into those.
So
I am more into movies.
Okay, and ఇంకొక థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మీరు ఆర్మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి వచ్చారు కదా. ఐ మీన్ మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆర్మీ. సో మీకు కూడా
ఆర్మీ ఆఫీసర్.
మీకు కూడా ఆర్మీ వైపు వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నారు, మరి ఎలా మూవీస్ లోకి ఎలా టర్న్ అయ్యారు?
Okay, see, as I told, you should go always with the flow. So I got the offer, I took it, and if you say it, that if opportunity knocks at your door, you should always take it. So that's what I'm doing. I will think about army. Obviously, I'll think about it because I always had that thing in my mind that I want to be an army officer like my dad. And but let's see, if I'll do well in this field, obviously, why not? Let's see how it goes. We'll wait and watch.
పీపుల్ ఉంటారు అంటే లేడీస్ లో కూడా, గర్ల్స్ లో కూడా, ఉమెన్ లో కూడా ఆర్మీ వైపు వెళ్ళాలనుకునే వాళ్ళు లో పర్సెంటేజ్ ఉంటారు, బట్ గుడ్, నైస్. ఓకే, okay, so Malvika has so much of fan following, I think. So Malvika has so much of fan following in college and movies and social network. But మీరు ఎవరైనా ఇంప్రెస్ అనుకుంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇఫ్ మీకు ఒక ఆప్షన్ వచ్చి ఎవరైనా ఇంప్రెస్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు వాడే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ఫార్ములా
If I have to impress somebody,
yeah,
I think I can impress. I think according to me, I guess I can impress anybody with my cooking and maybe by spending some time and by my dance. I don't know how to say. How will I impress a person? I think cooking will do a lot of. I mean, you're a cook, so I think cooking does a lot good things to people. If you cook good, people like you. As
so what is
that.
your favorite dish?
Okay, my favorite dish is Hyderabadi chicken biryani.
Wow, so nice. So చాలా రోజులు అవుతుంది నేను కూడా మిస్ అయ్యి. So in Malvika perception, which one is tough? I mean, modeling or actress?
See, if you like doing modeling and even acting, there is nothing tough. But acting takes a lot of time. I mean, the shooting dates and the amount of time you repeat the same scene from every angle. It takes a lot of time. It will make you tired. But it's not tough. If you know it, it's not tough. Seriously, it's not tough. You should like what you do.
సో మీకేది ఇష్టం? మోడలింగ్ యాక్టర్స్ గా ఉండడమే ఎక్కువ ఇష్టమా?
నాకు both ishtam. I like both. But modeling, because modeling is I think I like acting.
Acting.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. For a change, ఒక small task ఆడదాం. Okay. ఈ రౌండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్. This round name is first time experiences.
Okay. Yeah.
Begin this round. Okay.
No, I'm just thinking. Okay, yeah.
So అన్ని ట్రూత్ ఉండాలి అండ్ ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్పాలి. ఓకే.
Okay.
First time heartbreak.
First time heartbreak, ninth class.
Ninth class.
Moment. You want more? Ninth class. You want how it happened? Oh. No. Okay. The guy whom I liked, he used to like somebody else. So that's the heartbreak.
Okay. First time you slapped.
First time I slapped. Oh no.
No? Seriously?
I haven't slapped anybody.
First rule break moment. First rule break.
First?
Rule break.
What kind of rule? I mean, which kind of rule?
Is it any traffic rule? Anything? Any rules? No?
I'm not a rule breaker.
This is a lie.
Seriously.
Lie.
No, I swear, I don't. You know, I never even bunked my classes. I never did that. I never bunked my classes till date.
Right? Topper, you are the topper, I forget, sorry.
It's not a topper. I never had the thinking, why do people bunk? What if you get caught? Seriously, I never ever did it.
Lie, first lie.
First?
Lie.
Oh, how do I remember my first lie? I think I lied about my marks.
Mug?
My marks.
Oh, your marks. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I lied about all my marks and yeah.
Is Malvika OCD or messy?
I am in middle of both the things. I'm not even an OCD person. I'm not even a messy person. I'm beach me other person. Both. I'm in the middle.
Not the person. Typical answers. Typical answers is not that way. Okay. Yeah.
I'm giving honest answers.
Acha. Okay. Okay,
I swear, promise.
Okay. The round is finished, but okay answers. Okay.
Because my answers are very true. I didn't say a single lie, I swear.
Project. Next project.
My next project is, its name is BFF, Boyfriend for Hire. And the shooting is almost done. We have one more song shoot left. And I think we'll be coming to you in like next 3 to 4 months or 3 to 4 months, yeah.
Can you please explain the story a little bit? I mean, age genre.
BFF?
Yeah, BFF.
BFF is a rom-com. I mean, I love the script because it is something which I guess everybody will go to watch. You can go with your parents also. It's a very clean, fun, nice film. And a lot of twist. So you should go.
All the best for your next movie. Okay.
Thank you.
And ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే కమింగ్ టు అనదర్ టాస్క్, ఇట్స్ ఎ సింపుల్ టాస్క్. దిస్ టాస్క్ నేమ్ ఇస్ రేటింగ్ గేమ్.
Okay, rating. Okay.
ఓకే, సో మీకు మీరు రేటింగ్ ఇచ్చుకోవాలి. ఈ థింగ్స్ కి మీకు మీరే రేటింగ్ ఇచ్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ యు మూవీ ఫ్రీక్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఫ్రీక్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Are you a?
మూవీ ఫ్రీక్. How much?
I'm in the middle.
Okay, rating. 5
Out of 10? Out of 10? Out of 5?
5.
3.5.
3.5. It was good, na? It is good.
I like series. I like series more. I like series which are very fast and like Family Man and Mirzapur. I like series like that. I don't watch movies now. I watch series now.
Movies kaava?
Anta movies now.
Okay.
Miru
Fitness
suggest change, then I'll watch. Huh?
Fitness freak.
Actually I am a badminton player also, so I have to maintain my fitness. So fitness scale out of 5 I'll give 4.5 because I do get lazy at times. 4.5.
4.5. Super. And The Girl Next Door. The Girl Next Door.
5. 5.
5 out of 5. Yes, of course. Yeah. Malvika is The Girl Next Door.
Yeah.
Modeling. Modeling.
Modeling.
Yeah.
4.
4 out of 5. And this one is last. Beauty.
How do I answer that? You should answer it. I can't answer myself.
So,
Wait, I have a doubt. Huh?
మన వాళ్ళని అడుగుదాం. సో మాల్విక గారికి మీరు బ్యూటీ పరంగా 5 out of ఎంత రేటింగ్ ఇస్తారు కింద కమెంట్ చేయండి.
Ayyo. Hey, you gave me extra marks or you gave me less marks?
Yeah, I gave you extra marks.
Oh, I thought you gave me 5 out of 10. In the sense, you're comparing me in 5 and you compared me with 10 and you gave me 5. I thought that. Sorry.
ఒక సాంగ్ మా కోసం, సింగిల్ సాంగ్ for us.
Oh, I sing horribly bad. Trust me. I sing really bad.
Just 2 lines.
Okay, you start. I'll continue with you. Promise. Not promise. I'll continue with you.
Go.
See, you got the same expression. But I know, trust me, my singing. The only thing I can't do in my life is called singing. Bad singer.
Is it?
Very bad. Yeah, pathetic singer.
ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పారు విజయ్ దేవరకొండ అండ్ అడవి శేషు ఆర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్స్ ఫర్ యూ, రైట్? సో వై, ఏ మూవీస్ చూసి అట్రాక్ట్ అయ్యారు వాళ్ళ మూవీస్ కి?
Obviously, Vijay, I saw Arjun Reddy, I saw Geeta Govindam, I saw Taxiwala, I saw Pelli Chupulu, and his acting is very natural and I don't know, he looks good and everything. And Advishesh, I saw Godachari, I saw Evaru, I saw Kashnam. So
Chanam.
Shana, oh sorry, whatever it is. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, Shana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Super. Nice. We'll go to one rapid fire once.
Okay. It's rapid fire about what?
Just
Rapid fire
funny,
about?
just funny questions.
Okay.
You have to answer. Me
Answer
contacts
in
lo,
yes or no?
no, not yes or no. It's answer only. Just you can give your one word answer. మీ కాంటాక్ట్స్ లో చాలా ఫన్నీగా సేవ్ చేసిన నేమ్. మీ కాంటాక్ట్స్ లో చాలా ఫన్నీ నేమ్ సేవ్ చేసిన నేమ్.
One funny name would be my friend's name, that is Durgi Murgi.
Durgi Murgi. What is that? What is meant by Durgi Murgi?
It's rhyming, no? Durgi Murgi, so I kept it Durgi Murgi. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
If you have option to hack any account, anyone account, who is that?
Any celebrity also?
Yeah, celebrity only.
I would hack Vijay Deverakonda's account.
ఏం పోస్ట్ చేస్తారు?
I'll message myself from his account and I'll take screenshots.
Crazy. సో చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చైల్డ్హుడ్ క్రష్ ఉంటారు కదా. సో మెనీ హీరోస్ ని చూసి క్రష్ ఫీల్ అవుతాం. ఓకే, చైల్డ్హుడ్ నుంచి ఏ హీరో మ్యారేజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎక్కువగా బాధపడ్డారు?
Actor I have crush on from a long time. His name is Ian. So he's in Vampire Diaries. So his name is Ian. So he's a Hollywood actor and I love him. Yeah.
Oh. Most proud moment of you.
Most proud moment in my life was when I scored 90 above in my 12, even after doing film just 2 weeks before my main boards. So I think that what made me a lot of, that was the proudest moment, the biggest achievement of my life according to me. And yeah.
Super. And phone lekunda undagalaru Malvika. Phone lekunda, without phone, how much time you managed?
Without phone, how much time do I manage? I can manage 3 hours, 4 hours.
It's good.
Yeah, I can manage. Yeah, and especially because I am not the person who messages much. I can talk to you on call and stuff like that, but I can't text people. I don't have any hard feelings, but I don't have the habit of texting. So, yeah.
Had a food without brush? Anytime?
Obviously, haha. Many times during these lockdowns, trust me, many times. Because you wake up so late, you forget about brushing and you just go and eat. That's all I do. Ayyo. Not many times, but 2 times. Yeah.
సో ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు లోలో ఉంటారు కదా, సమ్ డిప్రెషన్ లో. సో బయటికి రావడానికి మాల్విక ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఎనీ సాంగ్, ఎనీ పర్సన్?
If I'm sad or I'm depressed about something, I just go to my mom and I share it, and I'm sure that she comforts me. So I don't take depression and stuff like that much into my heart. No. I always made sure I never get depressed or something, because I share everything with her, and I have people around me. I have my friends around me who help me a lot if I ever get into some problem.
When in the mood to misbehave, who you gonna call?
Mood to misbehave? With whom?
Friends, or else boyfriend, or else colleagues? I don't know. I'm just asking.
Whom will I call to misbehave?
Yeah. So teasing. Teasing.
I'll call my friends.
ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రాంక్ చేశారా?
ప్రాంక్ లేదు. నా లైఫ్ చాలా బోరింగ్ గా ఉంది.
Nice. Yeah. All the best మీకు అండ్ శివ గారికి ఫర్ యువర్ నెక్స్ట్ మూవీస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఇంతసేపు నాకు లైవ్ ఇచ్చినందుకు అండ్ అన్నిటికీ సింపుల్ అండ్ క్యూట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చినందుకు.
Thank you.